moment, guess what just happened? The National Police Service Inspector General JAPHET Koome has just resigned. The question is why? What happened? Anyways, in a statement by State House spokesperson Hussein Mohammed, President William Ruto approved Koome's resignation, whereby he appointed the Deputy Inspector General of Police Douglas Kanja as the acting Inspector General. Well, the reason for JAPHET Koome's resignation is not yet clear at this moment, despite the people pointing a finger at him, saying that now that he's out, he should be arrested and all. The main reason for his resignation has not been stated or given out there. Remember, I'll be right here to inform you on that. Anyways, earlier on, the Orange Democratic Movement, joined by other political actors and activists, were urging President William Ruto to dismiss Koome and Bungei over the alleged cases of police brutality, abductions, and the killing of the Gen Z protesters. Apparently, could this be the reason as to why he's chosen to mapema ndio best? Tell me what you think in the comment section. Well, Koome has served as the IG, the Inspector General of the Police, for close to 2 years now. And he was sworn in November 2022 as the acting Inspector General. Well, Kanja will hold office until the Parliament nominates and approves JAPHET Koome's replacement. Yes, that's what is happening. Why do you think he's actually quit? You're having people point a finger at him now, like, even if he's quitting, we want justice for the people who are killed and all. Tell me what you think about it in the comment section, and make sure that you do subscribe.